Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Jalissa. Today's video is a good one. Oh my god, I am so excited for today's video. I am finally gonna try for the very first time ever a side-by-side comparison of the Dyson SuperSonic blow dryer on curly hair and the Dyson Airwrap on the other side. If you guys want to see what products I use to prep my hair before my blowout, I will leave that video down below in the description box, and I'll link the products as well down below if you guys want to purchase them. But yeah, my hair feels so amazing and ready to blow out. As you can see, this side is way curlier than this side. You can see that this side is less curly and I guess a little bit more damaged. So I'm gonna actually leave the harder side to the Dyson SuperSonic. So I'm going to be doing this side with the Dyson SuperSonic and this side with the Dyson Airwrap, and I feel pretty confident about using the Dyson SuperSonic for blowing out my hair. I have been using it a lot lately and I have been loving it. So I'm going to use these two on this side and then the Dyson Airwrap on the other side with the other attachments that come with it. The Dyson SuperSonic retails for $400. It is the first hair tool that Dyson ever came out with. It is like the OG Dyson hair tool, and I think this is probably like one of the best hair tools that they have ever came out with because it is so powerful. It's so nice. I love that it has so many different attachments that are so good for curly hair. It brings the diffuser attachment, which I absolutely love and use all the time. This is literally my go-to diffuser. It is so good. It dries my hair so quickly, and over time it does not damage my hair. I promise you, if you have curly hair and if you want to get a nice diffuser that is going to last you years, it's not going to damage your hair, get the Dyson SuperSonic. It is amazing. I also like using the white tooth comb attachment with the Dyson SuperSonic. I'll put a video right here so you guys can see how I use it. But wow, this gives me so much volume at the root when I want to leave it curly, and this is kind of like a new step in my routine, in my curly hair routine, that I am obsessed with. I love it so much. It really does make the curls look just like way better with more volume, more lift at the root. So yeah, this is a must. This is sold separately, so if you wanted to buy it, I think it's like 40 bucks separately, but I see that Dyson has a kit that brings all the Dyson SuperSonic attachments for $430. So if you guys want to check it out, I'll link it down below. It has the diffuser attachment, the flyaway attachment, which I really like. I've used that one before and I love it. This is the other nozzle attachment that comes with the Dyson SuperSonic. I usually use this one. I've tried using this one and I've seen so many professionals use this one, but honestly I am not a professional, so sometimes it is a little bit hard for me to use this one and get like a very precise dry. This is such a concentrated nozzle, and this one gives you a little bit more of space, this one. So I like this one more to dry my hair, and it does a pretty good job, so I like this one a little bit more. The thinner one is just a little bit harder to use in my opinion, and it kind of burns my scalp because it's so concentrated. But if you know how to use this one like a pro, then this is going to give you a very smooth blowout. It has 3 different air speeds. I use it in the highest speed and the highest heat setting. It actually has 4 heat settings, even though it kind of looks like if it's just 3, but it has 4, and it has a cool shot. The coldest one is 82 degrees Fahrenheit and the hottest heat setting is 212 degrees Fahrenheit, which is actually not that much. Like sometimes I use other hair tools at like 415, 430 degrees Fahrenheit, and I don't know what I was thinking because that is so much heat. Anyways, let's get right into it. Highest heat setting, highest speed, and let's go. This Dyson brush is so good. Like, why can't Dyson come out with a brush this big for the Dyson Airwrap? I just don't get it. I don't get it. This hair dryer gets so hot. I love it. This blow dryer is something else. It really is. Here's the first section. It looks so smooth and it's so soft. So soft. And this blow dryer dried my hair so quickly. I'm gonna time this side so you guys can have an idea of how long it's gonna take me to do all my hair. But yeah, absolutely love the Dyson SuperSonic for blowouts. And it actually takes a little bit of getting used to, a little bit of practice. It's not as easy as using the Revlon One Step Hair Dryer and Volumizer, but it's way more worth it. Like, you will have nicer, healthier looking hair over time. So I'm actually going to start a timer now on this side. So let's do this. Alright guys, I'm done with the Dyson SuperSonic side, and I just really love how this side looks. I have so much volume right here at the top, and I have such a nice bounce going on right here. Like, these brushes are so nice. I love that this one gives me a quick dry, and then this one gives me nice shape if I want to use it at the end, just to kind of give myself a little bit of a curl. But yeah, love the Dyson SuperSonic for blowouts. It is seriously so good for curly hair. It only took me about 30 minutes to do one side, which for me is not bad because I have very curly hair. And even though my hair is like shorter now because I did get a haircut, it still takes me about an hour to do all my hair because my hair is so curly and I have a lot of hair. So anyways, I'm going to do the Dyson Airwrap side now. I'm just going to clip my hair a little bit so that this side doesn't get all sweaty. So the Dyson Airwrap retails for about $600, which is about $200 more than the SuperSonic. It does bring a lot of attachments. Dyson just came out with the new Dyson Airwrap. I actually bought it. I have a couple videos using it here on my channel, so if you guys want to check it out, I'll link those down below. I bought the new Dyson Airwrap, but honestly I returned it because I already have the Dyson Airwrap and I feel like it's almost about the same thing. I didn't notice a huge difference, but whenever the attachments are available to buy separately, I will buy all the new ones. But I just could not stay with a $600 hair tool when I already have pretty much the same thing. So I am going to be using the original. If you guys want, I'll try to link the Dyson Airwrap down below if it is available, but this hair tool is like always sold out. So I'm going to be using just these two attachments to blow out my hair. Anyways, I'm going to start blowing out my hair and I'll be back. So I first use this one to dry most of my hair. Okay, so my hair is mostly dry. I'm going to take this off and use the round brush attachment just to kind of smooth everything out. Like to flip it, give it some shape. So all done with this section. I think it looks pretty nice. I love that curl. It's very soft, it's very shiny, and yeah, I feel like I'm gonna be able to dry this side super quickly. This side, remember, is less curly than this side, so I usually am able to dry this side a lot quicker than this side. So I'm gonna start my timer. Like I said, the Dyson SuperSonic was 31 minutes. So now let's do the Airwrap side. Guys, I am back and this is what my hair looks like. So this is the Dyson Airwrap side. It took me actually only like 25 minutes to do this side, 26 minutes to do the Dyson Airwrap side, so not bad at all. I actually thought it was going to take me longer because I have to take off the attachment, put it back on, so I thought that was going to take some time, but maybe because this side of my hair is less curly than this side, it did take me a little bit less time to do the Dyson Airwrap side. Overall, I am very impressed with the Dyson Airwrap side. I just feel like my blowout, especially in the summer, it just doesn't last. My hair gets so frizzy, so yeah, I just feel like it looks like this now, but in a couple of hours it might start getting a little bit frizzy at the root especially. So yeah, it gives you a nice blowout. If you want to touch it up with a straightener in the summer, go ahead and do that. It's probably gonna last a lot longer than just with a blowout, but in the winter I am most of the time just fine with a blowout. That is why in the summer I just leave my hair natural. I leave it curly because when I blow it out it gets frizzy, but in the winter these hair tools are so nice for my hair type. Anyways, you guys let me know in the comments below which side you liked better. Did you like the SuperSonic side better? Here it is. Or do you like the Airwrap side better? Here it is. I love both hair tools, I really do, and I really like the Dyson Airwrap for curls. For blowouts, it's like not my favorite. I actually use the Dyson SuperSonic more for blowouts, and I use it more just in general with the diffuser attachment, the wide tooth comb attachment. I just use this hair tool more than the Airwrap, but the Airwrap is also really nice. So if you guys want to check any of these hair tools out, if you guys want to check out the products that I used, I'll link them down below. Please let me know in the comments below which hair tool you think is more worth it. And yeah guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're enjoying my video so far, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much. Mwah. Bye bye.